Hey guys, this is Eric here. Oh my god. Guys, did you hear that? This is Eric Wea, guys. Today I just used another phone. And of course I'm using a phone holder. That's why you can see me so far. Hello, hello. And you can see my hand stretching out. That's pretty obvious. And today we'll be making slime with our hands. Just 2 ingredients. I'm only gonna use little glue, guys. Guys, comment down below if you want to shout out, or maybe if you want me to deliver some slime to your house. Yeah. Okay, guys. We'll show you to make some slime. I just poured it in. Okay. Yeah, we're making some slime in a recipe. And yeah, that's my favorite show going on the TV. Don't want to watch it? Just to make a video. There is my favorite show. Here. Oh my god. Here are the guys. If you don't mind, I'll just do that for a while. Don't you mind, guys? Do you mind? Do you mind, guys?
I think I said no to things.
I can't hold it. There! Let's make some slime. Guys, you might think this is, you know, soap, but it's our power gel. Downy. Take this slime a little. There's some slime in here. I'm giving to my friend. It's very stretchy, yeah. Very satisfying. Very slimy. And conscious. It's super sticky. Not very sticky. Put that back. Why is it wet? Let's start making the slime, guys. So I'll add this. I don't want you to take pic because I made slime with this toothpick, guys, a while ago. Add it here. I'm making slime in my hand, so who needs a toothpick? Wait, I forgot the most important thing, guys. I'll be back soon. Let me pause this. Hey guys, so I'm back. I just got some food coloring, which is purple. Oh my god. And then some pink glitters. Let's make the slime. Open up the glue. Oh my. Yeah. I'm just gonna add
the best sa sarap sa buong Pilipinas. Jollibee Chicken Joy.
I actually did a competition with my sister, guys. My sister said me just get an extra glue. I'm back. Sammy, not this time. Here I make big glue slime with this. Oh my.
Chill. Mag-skyflex kondensada ka.
Mas pinakondensada, mas pinapili, kaya mas nakakagaan ng kalooban.
Okay, maybe not. But I don't have any more slime making next time.
Miss Ramos.
Paboritong Pinoy pa naman, skyflake sandwich.
JJ, alis na si Papa.
Ikaw na muna bahala dito.
Okay. Glue added. Let's add some activator.
Sa tulong ng nutrients ng Crispin 3 Plus.
Okay guys, let's add the coloring. It's slippery. Here's my tissue. Let's open up the coloring. It's sticking in my hands. Ah, guys! One on one.
That looks like Minnie.
Yeah. I think this will be needing extra power though. Okay, let's mix it up, guys. I'm mixing it. Oh my god.
It's not
Adding
working.
more. But it's not working.
Not working.
Ow. Sammy, no! Stop pulling the vid. Guys, it's... Yeah.
I want to make slime.
Guys, it's not even forming.
Sis, I want to make slime.
Up to not use my glue. Use your glue. Guys, it's not forming. There we go. It's still gooey. Okay, for mixing, guys. I'm here.
Regarding the mining site left. Are you talking about well, they neglected guarding the mining site, so trouble cropped up. Don't you worry a lot. He will come back. How can you be so sure that they're coming back?
My sister's making her own slime.
Why don't you come over to my place so we could talk?
Sammy, just mix it.
Oh, yes, of course.
I does not know how to mix it with a toothpick.
I have to collect our protection.
Okay, guys, I think it's already formed. Ah!
We're going to talk about the problem.
I'm already
My
starting
hand.
to mix. I'm already starting to mix with my toothpick.
My hands.
They're all purple.
Guys.
Purple gooey goo.
Wait. Forming. Let me just mix it.
Sister, can you give me the... I need to get that. No,
What?
that
Guys.
coloring.
Get it. Oh my god, guys. It's sticky. That's what my mom said. I think this is form. Has
Sister,
lots of power gel.
where is the...
You better talk to what you want.
There is the other coloring.
Sammy.
Sister, can I borrow your food coloring with my paintbrush?
No, just one pack. And I will help you. Okay guys, this slime is getting out of control. I'll just pause the video so there's more time. See you later.
Bigger.
Hey guys, I'm back.
Hey
And I think
guys.
I got the slime controlled. It's coming. Ah!
Oh my god! It just fell off.
See guys, just a little bit more.
Sister,
Mixing with this thing.
sister, I need some food coloring, please.
Okay, let me just remove this. Remove. Ah.
Try with a tissue?
No, I'm not wasting my slime. Okay, I'm done. I'm done with tissue. Guys, watch the epic thing as I put lots of this.
No!
Ha 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 ha!
How dare you prank me?
It's not even funny. It's not coloring.
Yeah, I think I need a little bit more.
No. It's hard already. Mommy. Hmm?
I need more food coloring. I need a little bit more food coloring.
Guys, it's sticky.
Yeah, mine's not working very well.
Mom!
There. No. No. No.
And I'll just try. Okay.
Now they already said no to me.
I did not say anything. Guys, are you a fan of the circle gacha life. Well, I'm a fan of that.
You're a fan of
Okay, guys, it's a real horror story in gacha, guys. Moon's Lake. I'm shouting out to you in this video. Moon's Lake.
Yeah.
Find it down in the description below.
Wait, I'll activate it.
Link in the description. Moon's Lake videos. I mean Moon's Lake Studios. It reminds me of something. Moonquake. Dun, 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 dun. Wow, this is nice slime. Fun.
My phone looks not good.
Mine looks good. Very, very good.
No!
Guys, I don't want. You have to mix it with your hands already.
No! Say no.
Okay, guys, now I'm putting the glitter. Stop sticking their hair.
Sister, can you give me a little bit of packs of glitter? Please. My hands are turning purple.
Mine is already purple. Guys, I make Reddit videos.
Boom,
They
moonquake,
posted on
moonquake,
YouTube.
moonquake, moonquake.
Okay, guys. Let's play with the slime that I made with my hands.
Okay, now I'm playing with my slime.
Bakit nandito tong trapo?
Moonquake,
Moonquake.
moonquake,
Dun, 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 dun.
moonquake.
Okay, guys, that my slime is a achiever.
Teka. Selfie muna. Game. Okay, sige. Lapit pa. Yung post na takamtingin sa kita. Okay, kunan mo na. Nakuha ko na. Ganyan pagtita.
Haha. Hey sis, you have to mix the slime.
I does not know how. Can you give me a little tic tac of glitter?
Later now, you have to mix it up first.
I already.
Okay guys, this is the end of the video. I thank you for watching. And
I got yellow. I got
what do you
yellow
like
glitter.
yellow? Guys, comment down below if yellow and purple is a nice combination. Yeah.
Just forget it. Forget it.
Okay guys, see you all in the next video. Goodbye.
Bum 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 ba da ba ba.